This is a micro adventure. We've been doing these little micro adventures for about 5 months now. And I can honestly say we haven't been this motivated to just do stuff in forever. But what is a micro adventure exactly? The official definition bothers me a little bit. It goes, a microadventure is an overnight outdoor adventure that is small and achievable for normal people with real lives. Now, what does he mean with normal people with real lives? So I researched the guy that coined a microadventure, and what he really means is modern people with busy lives.
Qu'est-ce que je vais te nommer? Je vais te nommer l'amour, l'amour tendre, l'amour qui chante doucement dans mon cœur, l'amour sans logique à la raison.
See, we modern people with busy lives, we've turned our homes into hotels. Instead of the cleaning staff, we have robot vacuum cleaners, dishwashers, and washing machines. And instead of room service, we have Uber Eats. So modern life is optimized for ease, which seems great. But this ease comes at a price. Marcus Aurelius has never tried cocaine because he said,
Comfort is the worst addiction.
and it seems a little extreme, but it kind of makes sense. Comfort feels so nice that you might just want more and more of it, to the point where you're abusing comfort and it starts making decisions for you. How nice would it be if we could feel motivated and inspired while at the same time we can enjoy the ultimate comfort of modern life? So I guess we don't want to be in the comfort zone for too long, but when we are, we do want to fully enjoy it. In a microadventure, you just leave that comfort of modern life for a day. Because instead of throwing away all your robot helpers and deleting Uber Eats off your phone, you can just leave that all behind for a day and go on a little adventure.
Okay, stop.
And you don't need to go far. You just need to go right up to the edge of your comfort zone and then take one more step. I imagine that Rick Rubin and Marcus Aurelius would be really happy living in a van together, because living in a van is like having a micro adventure every single day. We have a little bit of luxury, but not enough that we're drowning in comfort. For example, we can go to bed watching movies, but wake up stuck in the mud. We have a toilet, but no sewer.
Wat moet je doen dan?
We can play Minecraft and drink wine, but the space is small, so it's easy to knock over a glass. And we have the basics like water, power, food almost always, but it's not a given. It's not guaranteed. But after living 5 months in this camper van, it honestly feels like these perks of being motivated and feeling inspired are on steroids. I've done what I've been putting off for 10 years, which is starting this channel, and Hannah's been chasing her music, all because we're basically being edged by comfort. But after being edged by comfort for 5 months, this has started to become our new default and our new comfort zone. So we felt like going on a little micro adventure.
Close your eyes.
Okay, how do they sit in the White Lotus?
Except this was mine.
This is how they sit, right?
All my friends are fake. I hate Patricia.
Patricia's great.
No, Patricia sucks.
She's great. I totally cheated on her. Buenas. Just pretend this is a pineapple mimosa.
Ja, dit is een strawberry mimosa.
I've never been this comfortable. Oh wow, look at this place.
What? What?
Wow, and now look at this place. If you want to try out van life, but you're not sure what van would be the best for you, you can watch this. Whoa. Oh God, something swam against me. It was pretty big. Okay, quickly, let's finish this. Okay. So if you want to try van life, but I can feel stuff like they're nibbling on me now. Okay, quick. So so if you want to try van life, but you're not sure what van to buy, you can check out this video. I made a free tool where you can find this out really easily. Oh God. I'm surrounded by, I think, little fish, but I felt something bigger.